Welcome to BI Knowledge Point. Today I am here to explain you how to create dual axis chart through Tableau. Now let's begin. So now we came in Tableau desktop. Now I am going to create category by sales and profit chart in dual axis. So I have taken sales and then now I am going to drop and drag profit column, and then here going clicking on profit field and selecting dual axis. So now we got the dual axis chart where orange color showing the sales data and blue color showing as a profit data. And if you require to understand about that sales color by, so just drop and drag sales field in color section and you will get lighter is less and dark blue is more. So that's all for today video. Catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my channel.